It's Saturday, May 2nd, 2020, and I'm on patrol with the South Bay Social Distancing Enforcement Agency over at Torrance and Rat Beach. It's week 4 or 5 of the LA County beach shutdown. I don't know how long it is. Seems like it's been forever. It's a beautiful windy afternoon with some nice sized wind swell hitting the beaches. It's nice not to see any kite surfers, swimmers, snorkelers, boogie boarders, surf matters, or body wompers cluttering up the lineup. It's also nice not seeing any sunbathers, joggers, walkers, fishermen, volleyball players, bikini-clad bimbos, the homeless, and those dorky people that walk around the beach with metal detectors looking for change. This is how the beach should be all the time. So far, so good. Wait, I see some action over here. Let's zoom in and check it out. Looks like they're on private property. I'm going to go ahead and harass them anyways. I can do that because I have a thick mustache and aviator glasses. From here, most people seem to be appropriately spaced, except for 2 of them. I hope they're related. What the F is that anyways? A slip and slide? Attention! Attention young punk kids, attention! Please cease and desist using the water slide. Cease and desist. That meant you, girlie. Please do not throw rocks or cans at this expensive helicopter. That meant you, the kid with the black flag tattoo. All your parents should be ashamed of you. And stop wasting water. And get a job. Well, I'm glad to be out of there. Those punks are crazy though. They almost took down my Magnum PI Aero whirlybird. Anyway, looks like we got the results back from facial rec already. Looks like many of these are South High kids from the class of 2018, and the rebellious girl was from the class of 2013. They're all going to have a summons coming to them in the mail. Anyway, that was a scary flight, but I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.